How to hide your Facebook friend list. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to hide your friend list on Facebook. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you are inside the app, just tap on the three dash icon shown in the top left corner of the screen. And from the pop-up menu, what you have to do is simply scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. And there, under Settings and Privacy, just tap on Settings. And here, once you're inside the Settings section, what you can do is simply scroll down, and there, under Audience and Visibility, just tap on the option that says how people can find and contact you. And here, in this section, just tap on the option that says who can see your friends list. And once you tap on it, on the next section, you can just select only me. And once you're done with that, you can just tap on save. And here, once you're done with this action, now your friend list will be completely hidden from other users. You can also choose friends if you only want your friends to see your friend list instead of everyone. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.